Hello guys, we got for today the first race, and our first race is about 90 kilometers from Metet to my loft. It's about here. As you can see, the birds are going to fly. This is Belgium actually, this little country. And the pigeons are going to fly from the red to the white dot. It's 90 kilometers. I think it's gonna be a very good flight because, as you can see, this is Belgium again, and they have perfect, tail wind. So they're going to fly very fast. As you can see, this is like all the air that is going, like the wind, and they have to go from here, from Metet to Hasselt. And as you can see, the wind is going the same direction, so that's very nice. I think they are going to get released today at 12 o'clock because then it stops met raining. Oh, I'm going too far. Just 12 o'clock. Check again. And yeah, the wind is still in a good direction, so that's nice. And as you can see here, this is the side of the KBDB. That's from Belgium. This is the releasing information. So these are all the races in Belgium today. And as you can see, this is our race, Metet. Then they tell us what weather it is. It's heavy, cloudy, light rain, fairly good sight, and a wind from the west. And information, these races are already released, and these are waiting. So as you can see, Metet is waiting. So guys, good news, we are released. We are Limburg Midden, and our pigeons released at 11:25. It's now 11:27, so that means they are flying for 2 minutes, and just in 1 hour every bird is gonna be home. So I need to go quick to my partner, to the pigeon loft, and then I see you there when I film the racing arrivals. Hello guys, we're at the loft. It's today a very beautiful day. As you can see, clouds are good. We are expecting pigeons right now from there. So I am trying to get a good look at the first arrivals. All the arrivals have to go in this small loft. These are all old and yearlings on a flight of 80 kilometers. So we are expecting every bird back in like 5 minutes or something. We got our first bird. First bird.
Ja. Ja. Go. Ja. Ja.
First bird. Inside. Okay, no waiting for the other ones. Hier is een. Twee. Two birds for here. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, they're there. It's one for here, I think. And it's inside already. Very fast. Good job. Anna. Here's one more. Where is it? Oh, there.
Ja.
Inside. Here's one more. But it's raining right now. Where is it? Okay. Inside.
En die komen nog door, maar ja.
Here's another one.
Volgende week weer eens op een douche, dan is het die
Top, again. Top,
Inside. There's another one.
Oh ja, nog een daar. Op vandaag. Die kunnen vandaag met naar de koer vandoor.
I can really see, can't see the pigeon. Come on, come on. Inside. Going into the loft right now to check on the woody woodcocks. I think there are, I don't know how much pigeons are back. I will count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pigeons of the 11 pigeons are back. Within half an hour or something, and only this pigeon is missing, but he will come back of course, for sure. So they will be with their females right now for a couple of hours. I actually don't know how much exactly. I think like until 2 or 3 hours, and then they will get some light feeding in the feeding tray and just water, and then tomorrow they will train again for their next flight for next week on Saturday.